Welcome back to Cisco Catalyst Center training series for industrial switching. My name is Krishna Divakar. I'm a technical marketing engineer for industrial switching at Cisco. Through this series of videos, we've been learning about the various features of the Cisco Catalyst Center and how we could leverage them in our industrial deployments. In this video, we will discuss about one of the widely used features of the Cisco Catalyst Center called the SWIM. It's a well-known fact that managing the software upgrade process in a large network environment is a tedious task. Utmost care has to be given right from the software selection to until the network upgrade is done. Even the simplest of the simple error could lead to network outage, affecting the availability, revenue, and the user experience. This is where the Cisco Catalyst Center can come to the rescue. Cisco Catalyst Center can act as a storage repository for all the software patches, images, and the ROM files required for all the devices in the network. It not only acts as a software repository, but also helps in automating the software upgrade process. This capability of the Catalyst Center to do the tasks like import, store, provision, and delete the software on the devices being managed in the network is called the Software Image Management, in short, SWIM. Let's take a look at the steps involved in the software upgrade process. Once the need for the software update, which is marked in green, arises, that is when the process starts. It starts with identifying the golden image and a set of devices. Once this is done, the Catalyst Center gets back to us with a list of devices those are non-compliant, meaning those devices which are not running the standardized software. Now that we have a list of devices which needs to be upgraded, based on the organization's process, a change request, commonly called the CR, can be raised. Once the CR is approved, the upgrade process is initiated from the Catalyst Center. Like in the manual process, even the Catalyst Center automation consists of two steps. Step 1 is distribution, where the required software is pushed to the device, and step 2 is when the device is upgraded using the software that was pushed by a reload, commonly called as activation in Catalyst Center terms. Even before the software is distributed to the device, Catalyst Center does a list of pre-checks. And once the activation is done, again a set of checks are run called the post-deployment validation to make sure nothing has changed on the device between the software upgrades. A successful completion of the post-deployment validations wraps up the upgrade flow, and the process starts with identifying the golden image when the need for a software upgrade arises in the future. By following the streamlined upgrade process as discussed, Catalyst Center automation can always result in consistent upgrades. By now you would have understood the benefits of SWIM for software updates. It helps us achieve consistency using very few clicks and a minimal disruption. Not to forget, pcerts is a good driver for upgrading the software. Using SWIM, any corrective action on the pcerts can be taken faster in a secured manner. As previously discussed, Catalyst Center can act as a storage repository for all the software images irrespective of the device type, be it a router, switch, an access switch, or a distribution switch, or a wireless access point, anything for that matter. The software images can either be downloaded automatically from cisco.com using your CCO ID, or else can be manually imported from a laptop or a PC into the Catalyst Center. Once the images are downloaded or imported, Catalyst Center maps them automatically to the respective device types. Catalyst Center also provides software suggestions for each of the device type being managed. Once the image is marked as a golden, the image is automatically downloaded from cisco.com. Along with the suggested images, Catalyst Center does show the security advisories associated with the particular image. Catalyst Center can help us standardize the software for all the devices in the network, what is called as the golden images. An image can be standardized, that is, marked golden per platform, per device, per location. For example, Catalyst Center can help you dictate 17.10 image as the golden for all the IE3400s present in your network. It can also help you dictate 17.12 to be the standard image for all the devices belonging to the San Jose location. The point here is golden images can be marked per platform, per device or per location. So Catalyst Center offers such a flexibility. No one wants a tampered bin file being pushed to the device. To make sure the images that are pushed to the devices are authentic, Catalyst Center uses something called as a KGV, which is known good values. Using KGV, the published MD5 or SHA values are compared against the values present on the image. This makes sure that the image is not tampered with. Catalyst Center automatically updates the KGV database every now and then. It can also be updated on demand by the user. The little green check what you see below the image name denotes KGV verified, meaning the image is good to use and is not tampered with. Catalyst Center also does a series of checks called image upgrade readiness checks. If you observe the list of checks done by the Catalyst Center, you will very well accept that these are the common mistakes we make when manually upgrading the software on the devices. Catalyst Center goes through all these checks before initiating any software upgrade to make sure there is no unwanted outage in the network. Catalyst Center also provides a provision for generating the SWIM reports. These reports can be generated in any of the three formats like PDF, Excel, and so on. Catalyst Center also provides the APIs to carry out the common SWIM tasks like marking an image as a golden, distributing the images, and so on. These are the set of APIs that are supported for the SWIM automation workflow. Finally, these are the points to remember when using the SWIM workflow of the Catalyst Center. SWIM workflow does not change the boot mode of the device. That is, if a device is booted in bundle mode, it continues to remain in bundle mode even after using the Catalyst Center. Catalyst Center uses flash as the primary boot partition, which implies that the device is booted with SD card, which is a common scenario in OT world, cannot be upgraded using the SWIM workflow. When using SD card based replacement in a Catalyst Center environment, please make sure the device is running iOS XE 17.10 or above. Any software release lesser than 17.10 may result in inconsistent boot upgrades. This concludes the SWIM overview video. In the next video, let's catch up with the demo on how to upgrade an IE device using the SWIM workflow. Hope you found this video interesting and thank you for watching.